What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a cap heat press machine. So this is going to be a manual press machine. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can go over it. All right, so once you get everything out of the box, this is the way the hat press looks. It comes in this nice purple pastel type color, kind of like a candy color. You have this big lever here that allows you to have enough force down onto your items that you're going to be pressing. It's made out of a nice steel. This is made real durable. Along with the accessories that you get for it, you have the larger cap holder, and then you have one smaller one. So you can press various sizes of hats. I have a couple hats here, a couple trucker hats, a couple regular hats here. You also get some gloves. So these are going to be some heat resistant gloves, so that way you won't burn your fingers. Also, you have your power cord to plug it up, and then you have your user manual, shows you how to use it. And then also there are some extra fuses in here, just in case this actually overheats, and that fuse is there just to help protect the unit. So if you are into DIY, do-it-yourself type projects, and you either design or you have some prints made up and you want to get into apparel printing, this is going to be the perfect machine to be able to do that. Specifically for hats, this is going to be perfect for taking your print or your patch, whether it's going to be your logo or design, and putting that onto a hat of your choice. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to get our hat nice and straight. We have it stretched out so it doesn't move. We're going to flip up the red button on the side. So we're going to press the OK button for your setting 1, adjust to 310, press OK. We're going to set our time, press OK. And once it heats up to 310, we're going to be ready to press. So it's ready at 310. It's going to hold there. You'll hear some clicks because it's trying to hold the temperature. First, what we're going to do is we're going to prep the hat. We're going to hold this for 5 seconds to give it a little preheat. That gets the hat nice and warm. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our transfer. We're going to place it where we want it. Then we can press this down for the full 15 seconds. Once it has cooled for about 30 seconds to a minute, we can pull back the film to reveal our design. And it's just that easy. So this is what it looks like once you have your hats pressed up. You can see that it came out really, really nice. The colors really pop on here. The prints are laid out very flat, and it sticks really well. So this is going to be due to your adjustments depending on the temperature and the time that you're going to be pressing. That's how you're going to get very good quality. And once again, this is going to be used for hat press, but just to let you know that this can do more, I printed on my t-shirt. I made this shirt where I printed on the sleeve and I printed a logo on my chest. So this can be used for more than hats. If you want, you can also print things like labels, just anything that can fit the press area. Now, to recap, this is going to be adjustable from 32 to 392 degrees. You can set whatever time limit you want on here. It has overheat protection. It's a 350 watt heat press that heats evenly. Also, you get the interchangeable pads, and this is going to be manual press. So guys, once again, if you're looking to make your own hats, whether it's going to be caps or beanies or spots on shirts, you can do that with this heat press. So hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.